Welcome back to Eating Out. My name is Gaurav. Naam to suna hoga. See, generally on Eating Out, we've shown you conventional food. But today we're going to show you something completely different, organic food. Now, till I had done my research on organic food, I thought organic food is food जिसमें pesticides का इस्तेमाल नहीं किया जाता है. Well, that's true, but pesticides are not the only thing that they don't use. They don't use anything unnatural in growing these foods. यानी कि there are no chemical fertilizers, there are no hormones to make them bigger. आपने देखे होंगे कुछ आलू इतने बड़े-बड़े मिलते हैं, पता नहीं चलता है आलू है कि watermelon है. So, you know, nothing unnatural is used in organic foods. And इसके अलावा भी there are lots of things that go into organic food. So I thought we must take a look, and that's why I'm at the Dubai Mall. I'm at the Organic Foods and Cafe.
The word organic means living, and in practical terms, this means natural food that's grown and processed without chemical fertilizers, pesticides, herbicides or fungicides. Nothing unnatural is allowed, so there are no growth of hormones, antibiotics, preservatives, dyes, chemical coatings or irradiation allowed. There is no genetic engineering allowed in organic foods. Organic food is nothing else but good, pure, nutritional food, the way it used to be. The food we eat affects our health. Most conventionally produced food comes from production systems that rely on a cocktail of up to 350 different chemicals. The World Health Organization has classified many of these substances as hazardous to our health. Contrary to that, organic food produce has an average of 50% more vitamins, minerals, enzymes and other micronutrients.
Right now I'm with Mr. Niels Al-Akkad, who is the owner of Organic Foods and Cafe, and we can, right now see the first benefit of organic food. That's the height. You can see the difference. Neil, welcome to Eating Out.
Thank you.
Niels, tell me, what made you think of getting Organic Foods and Cafe to this part of the world?
When I'm 15 years old, my mother got very ill. She subsequently died of cancer 5 years later. And I was in the food industry, or my family was. Then I went into the food industry, and after thinking more and more about this, I ended up getting ill. And I went to every doctor you can imagine. Finally, a natural herbalist found a cure, and after 3 years of being ill, I was cured. Every doctor couldn't find a cure. And my mother kept on, she planted the seed, don't go chemical way, watch what's going on, watch what you eat, and that's sort of the penny dropped. I came back here, tried to change the food industry, and realized the food industry has got nothing to do with nutrition. The food industry is to do with packaging and making money. And once I realized that, one day I just couldn't accept it anymore. I said, either I'm going to do something about it or I leave the UAE. And after having lived here my whole life, I did something about it. I bought healthy organic food to the UAE.
These vegetables here look very fresh. Not that I understand too much about raw food. Just look at the price. It's not so bad actually. Tomatoes, which are priced at 12 dirhams a kg. Check.
Organic Foods and Cafe have a fully functional bakery as well, where they bake traditional bread without any artificial rising agents into the dough. Nor does this bread have any preservatives, stabilizers or artificial coloring. They craft the breads by hand using centuries-old techniques to produce authentic artisan breads that are superior in taste and nutrition. It takes about 24 hours to achieve loaves that have full texture, a good crust and a hearty nutty flavor. All their breads are made from 100% organic ingredients. The end result is authentic, organic bread which has outstanding flavor and excellent nutrition.
I thought only food was organic, but I was completely wrong because they have organic clothes as well. If you take a look at this section, they've got lots of clothes, lots of toys. Even look at this. This bathrobe is made out of organic cotton. I wore it just to check how organic feels. Actually, this is not mine. This belongs to her. Sorry, auntie. भी ऑर्गेनिक होता है। अब आप सोच रहे हैं मीट कैसे ऑर्गेनिक हो सकता है, मैं आपको बताता हूं। देखिए, 1, these animals at organic farms are not force fed. 2, इनको जो खाना दिया जाता है उसमें there are no chemicals mixed, they are not genetically modified, these animals. तीसरी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात ये होती है कि these farms, these organic farms जहाँ पर animals होते हैं, they have a lot of space for these animals to move around. कई farms में क्या होता है कि they restrict the animals movement, ताकि एनिमल, जैसे हम मोटे होते हैं बैठे बैठे अपनी डेस्क पे, एनिमल्स भी मोटे हो जाएं, एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज मोर मीट, ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया जाता। दीज आर ब्रेड इन कंप्लीटली नेचुरल एनवायरनमेंट्स। इंटरेस्टिंग।
Eating organic meat and dairy products provides an important safeguard against the unethical and unnatural practices of livestock rearing in a factory-like manner, not to mention the health benefits. The meat here comes from animals and not machines, although this is all too often forgotten in today's industrial rearing techniques. In a world of mad cow disease, hormone and antibiotic-laden chickens, the only way to ensure protection against this is to eat certified organic meat and poultry. In short, the meat here comes from animals raised without the use of hormones, antibiotics, growth promoters, color enhancers, and other artificial drugs.
So I've had a very good look at the Organic Foods and Cafe, and right now I'm at their cafe, and I've also taken a very good look at their menu. And for myself, I've ordered organic orange juice, and I've got their very famous chicken mayonnaise sandwich. Now, before I get into food and forget everything else, very important for you to know that, you know, I found this entire concept of organic food very interesting. You do your own research, and after that, if you like it, just bite it.